Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add a tracking number on eBay. So let's just head over to ebay.com and just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next is on this My eBay. Just hover your mouse, then just click on selling. So from here, you should be able to see a selling overview of your items. Then beside the product that you want to add a tracking number, just click on More Actions, then click on Add Track Number. From here, all you have to do is add the tracking number. You can also choose a carrier. Then once done, just click on Save and Continue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!